HiWayCAD, Cabinet Component, Assembly Animation. HiWayCAD is an international competition project. Years ago, the organizers said that this project has great potential. It's just that the project is not complete. Moreover, if we add some animation simulations, the organizers have no choice but to give awards. Because that's how the market is. Even though I've reached the level, if can't win any prizes here, you can still win the award in another place. Here is an example. Even though the size has changed, the functionality remains the same. In addition to the animation simulation, the practical function is the random combination of cabinet components. Because this function allows for a clear view without blind spots, there will be no more blind spots. There is no place that cannot be seen.